Dream Up.
Rain. Y ahora que tenemos nuestro Rainstick terminado, podemos cantar Incy Wincy Spider. Para eso yo hice mi propia Incy Wincy Spider. Es muy sencilla de hacer. Necesitamos un palito, un círculo de cartulina y tiras de cartulina del mismo color. Para hacer las patitas, doblamos las tiras de cartulina. Y para pegar el palito usé cinta. También pueden decorar a su spider para que sea única. ¿Tienen su Incy Wincy Spider? ¿Tienen su Rainstick? Then, let's sing!
The Incy Wincy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Then the Incy Wincy Spider went up the spout again. Okay, put your fingers together. Let's do the Incy Wincy Spider.
The
Incy Wincy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Then the Incy Wincy Spider went up the spout again. A little faster now. The Incy Wincy Spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Then the Incy Wincy Spider went up the spout again. Now let's try it slow, with a low voice. The big spider. The big spider went up the water spout. Down came the rain and washed the spider out. Out came the sun and dried up all the rain. Then the big spider went up the spout again.
Bye bye! Did you like the song? ¿Les gustó la canción? Pueden reproducirlo otra vez para cantar conmigo. Al terminar la clase, quiero hacerles algunas preguntas. A ver si se acuerdan los colors. What color is my Rainstick? ¿De qué color es mi Rainstick? Blue, green, white. What about the spider? The Incy Wincy Spider. My Incy Wincy Spider is... What color is it? ¿De qué color es mi Incy Wincy Spider? Orange and blue. Tiene un moñito blue. My spider is orange with a blue ribbon. What color is the sun? You know the sun? What color is the sun? Yellow. The sun is yellow. Bye bye, sun. And how many raindrops can you see? Estas cositas son raindrops. ¿Cuántas hay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 raindrops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many legs does the spider have? How many legs? ¿Cuántas piernitas tiene? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 legs. See you. Bye bye.